Did you know your stomach has a voice of its own? Yeah, that rumble isn't just hunger. It's your body's secret language. Your stomach and intestines are muscles, and they move food, gas, and fluids through your digestive system in waves. When these muscles contract, they push air and liquid around, and that creates the growling sound you hear. But here's the kicker. Your stomach growls even when it's not empty. It's just your digestive system practicing its motions, kind of like your body keeping itself in shape. So next time your stomach rumbles in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body humming along, hard at work. Curious for more weird facts about your body? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more CurioQuick stories.